See, test number 24, part 3. See question number 76. In question number 76, the question is, the following ligand is, as we can see that in this compound, there is nitrogen atom, and again it is attached with nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom is attached with two ethyl groups. So there is one lone pair. Also on this nitrogen atom also there is lone pair, and this nitrogen atom is connected with the ring, and the ring is connected to oxygen atom also carrying negative charge, and this is also connected with oxygen atom carrying negative charge. So we can see that this lone pair is donated by oxygen atom 1, this lone pair is also donated by oxygen atom, this is 2. Now this lone pair is donated by nitrogen atom, that is 3, and this lone pair is donated by this nitrogen, that is 4. So means 2 oxygen donor atom and 2 nitrogen donor atom. So denticity is 4. It means the ligand is tetradentate ligand. So question number 76, option C is correct. See question number 77. In question number 77, what is given there? See question number 77, the question is, if methyl is alkyl group, then order of basicity. So when R is methyl group, as we can see that in aqueous phase, 2 degree has maximum basic nature, then 1 degree, and then 3 degree, and then amine. Because in 1 degree extent of hydrogen bonding is more. Extent of hydrogen bonding dominate. Therefore 2 degree, then 1 degree. So it will be like that: R2NH, then RNH2, then R3N, and then NH3. So question number 77, option A is correct. But this is valid when R is methyl group, and in aqueous phase. Question number 77, option A is correct. See question number 78. See question number 78. Question number 78, what is given there? In the reaction, that is CH3CN on reaction with CH3MgI. So bond will break from here, carbon carrying negative and magnesium carrying positive charge. Also there is partial positive charge, so methyl group will attach on carbon atom. So the product form will be like this: CH3C, CH3, double bond NMgI. Now bond will break from this position, and oxygen is attached to carbon carrying double bond. So one product form will be CH3C, double bond O, and CH3. So question number 78, this compound is called acetone or ketone. So question number 78, option B is correct. On hydrolysis it gives this one. See question number 79. In question number 79, what is given there? Which of the compound will give phenol? See question number 79. We are looking for the preparation of phenol. As we can see that when aniline reacts with NaNO2 plus HCl, it forms diazoxide salt. And in diazoxide salt, when warm water is added, then phenol is formed. So the compound which gives phenol is aniline. So question number 79, option D is correct. See question number 80. In question number 80, what is given there? Question number 80. See question number 80. Question number 80 is basically the electrolytic reduction of nitrobenzene in strongly acidic medium. When nitrobenzene, that is benzene carrying NO2 group, electrolytic reduction in presence of H plus, it will reduce, addition of hydrogen will take place, so it will form NHOH, it will form C6H5NH. Now rearrangement will take place, so H plus will rearrange, now H plus will rearrange from para position, so H plus is rearranged from para position, so the product form will be, now NH will carrying NH2 and this OH will shift to this position, so this compound will be formed, that is para amino phenol, as para position carrying NH2 with respect to phenol. So question number 80, option C is correct. See question number 81. Question number 81, what is given there? X on bromination gives Y, Y on diazinon salt gives C. So the compound is, question number 81. As we know that when aniline, as it is a strongly activating group, so strong activation for electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophile in this reaction is Br2 will generate Br positive electrophile, so it will attack at this position and this position. Ortho and para positions will be attacked by bromine, so bromine will attack here, and bromine will attack here. Now on reaction with NaNO2 plus HCl, now NH2 group will change into diazinon salt, so it will change into diazinon salt, that is N2 plus Cl minus, this will be Br as it is also Br as it is, and it is also Br as it is. Now when boiling water we use, so boiling water will remove N2Cl, so this group will be removed, so the product obtained will be this one, benzene, Br and Br. So question number 81, option D is correct. See question number 82. In question number 82, what is given there? The question is ethylamine. Question number 82. Ethylamine, that is CS3 CS2 NH2, when reacts with KMNO4, as we know KMNO4 is a strong oxidizing agent, therefore remove hydrogen, it will remove hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation, so H is removed from this carbon and from this nitrogen, so there is formation of double bond, that is CH3CH double bond, CH3CH double bond NH, this will form, as this is aldehyde and imine group, so this will call aldimine. So this compound is called aldimine on hydrolysis of this compound. So when aldimine hydrolyze means H3O plus, so it will react with, on hydrolysis oxygen attached to this, so it will form acetaldehyde, it will form an aldehyde. On hydrolysis it gives aldehydic product. So question number 82, option C is correct. See question number 83. In question number 83, what is given there? See question number 83. Which of the following will not give N2 gas on treatment with nitrous acid? As we can see that C2H5NH2 and CS3NH2 and CS3NH2, all these are aliphatic amines. And when aliphatic amine reacts with diazinon, that is NaNO2 plus HCl, all liberate N2 gas. So question number 83, Option D is correct. See question number 84. Question number 84 is basically question number 84. In question number 84, what is given there? Nitrobenzene on further excessive nitration. Nitrobenzene on further excessive nitration mean again concentrated HNO3 added with H2SO4. As NO2 is a meta-directing group. So electrophile NO2 plus will attack at meta position. So the product form will be this one. NO2 meta position will also contain NO2. So this is meta-dinitrobenzene. So question number 84, option B is correct. See question number 85. In question number 85, what is given there? See question number 85. Question number 85 is nitrobenzene combines with hydrogen in presence of platinum. As we know that when nitrobenzene reacts with hydrogen in presence of platinum, so this compound is a reducing agent. So NO2 will reduce into removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. So aniline will be formed. As a major product. So question number 85. So their reduction takes place, removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen. Question number 85, option C is correct. See question number 86. In question number 86, what is given there? See in question number 86, the question is, in the presence of halogen atom in the ring, basic properties of aniline. As we can see that this is NH2 group. When halogen is added, so halogen will donate electron pair. Halogen will donate electron pair to ring. So electron density on nitrogen atom will increase. It means basic property of aniline. Basic property of aniline will increase. So question number 87, option A is correct. See question number 87. In question number 87, what is given there? See question number 87. Question number 87 is basically amine formed from an amide. As we can see that RCONH2 when 4 mole of NaOH and 1 mole of Br2 is added. This CO group will remove. This reaction is called Hofmann-Bromide reaction, and this alkyl group will migrate from carbon to nitrogen atom. So amine will be formed. As we can see that in this reaction carbon is decreasing. In this reaction carbon is decreased. So one carbon less than one. So in this reaction basically one carbon atom less than that of amide. So question number 87, option B is correct. See question number 88. Question number 88 is again easy question. Question number 88. See question number 88 is, the compound given there is NH2OH, and this contains this one. Reaction with NaNO2 and plus H2SO4. As we know, this will form NH2 group. As this is aliphatic, so aliphatic group will change into, when aliphatic amine and in aliphatic amine this reagent is added, it will changes into alcohol. So this compound will not change into, on addition NaNO2 plus H2SO4, the compound form here will be OH, and the compound form here will be OH. Now H plus will attack, so it will be OH. So water will be removed from this position. Water will be removed from this position in the form of oxonium ion. So this will form as like this. This will contain positive charge. Now 1,2 methyl shift will occur. 1,2 methyl shift will occur to increase the stability. When 1,2 methyl shift will occur, then methyl group will come on this position. Now this atom will carry positive charge, and there is OH. As oxygen has a lone pair of electron, to remove the deficiency, this lone pair will donated here. So the compound form will be like this. There is double bond formation. Now hydrogen will be removed. So compound form is option B. Question number 80, option B is correct. See question number 89. In question number 89, what is given there? Question number 89. Question number 89 is basically the compound is, as we can see that the compound CH3 twice, CH2 and CO dot CH3 is, and this compound also carrying NH2 group on carbon atom, NH2 group on carbon atom. So we can see that this compound is formed by CH3 twice CO. Ketone is used also in this compound. One ketone is also used, that is HCH2, CO, CH3, and one molecule of ammonia is also used, Then it forms this compound CH3CO, C, NH2, and CH2, CO, CH3. So this compound is basically formed from two acetone. This acetone group, and this is also acetone group, and this is amine. So this compound is formed from two acetone and one amine. So we can say this is diacetone, amine. So this diacetone amine. So the compound is diacetone amine. So question number 89, option C is correct. See question number 90. Question number 90 is easy question. Major product we are looking for, and the compound given is benzene, and the benzene carrying this group attached, there is NH2 and OH, and on this group that is CH3. The reaction with CH3 COO, C double bond O, CH3 in presence of pyridine. As we know that nucleophilicity of NH2 is more than OH group. So nucleophilicity of NH2 is more than NH2 group. So reaction will take place on the basis of NH2 group. So in this compound, reaction will take place here. So water will be removed from here, as we can see that COCH3 will attack on this nitrogen atom. So the compound form is due to nucleophilicity of NH2 is more, therefore this compound will attack. So there is positive charge, so nitrogen will attack on this carbon atom. Nitrogen atom lone pair will attack on this carbon atom, and the product form is like this. This benzene ring as it is, and the OH group will remain as it is, and the methyl group will remain as it is, and on nitrogen atom one hydrogen is removed, but this group is attached, that is COCH3, and while remaining same. So question number 90, this is the major product form. So you may clear that as the nucleophilicity of NH2 is more than OH, therefore attack not takes place through OH, the attack will takes place through NH2 group. So nitrogen atom lone pair attack on this carbon atom, so product form is this one. So question number 90, option D is correct.